Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. And if this is your first time watching a video from me, then hello, my name is Sheree Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. So, as you guys can tell from the title and hopefully the thumbnail, we're going to be unboxing this Curlbox today. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing it like this with you guys. I hope you guys don't mind this. So I have not been able to actually sit down and film anything. So nice. Let's just go ahead and get into this. We have, as what you saw, the very first thing is this card. And this is so gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It looks so beautiful in here. So this is the inside of that card. These are the hair products we're gonna be receiving this month from ORS. And there's that. And then we always received this. And then here's a little pamphlet, not pamphlet, but card on the collection. That side again. Okay, let's get into the products that we received this month. I'm just gonna pull out, okay? I'm not even gonna go in any order. But this one did catch my eye on Instagram. So it's this right here, and this is the Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. It has active aloe, rose clay, some type of complex, and it's for all hair types and textures. So that's what it claims. This is what it looks like. The claims are that it detoxifies, it soothes, it moisturizes, and balances your hair and scalp. This is actually in a glass jar, like a glass packaging. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's what this is. It actually smells really good. It kind of has like a minty kind of aftertone in it. And it reminds me of the stuff I had last time from a previous Curlbox as well that went on my scalp. The next product that's in here is this right here. And so this is the Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab Vital Oils for dry, damaged hair and scalp. It replenishes dehydrated, damaged hair and dry scalp. So that's what it says. So I love a good oil. I can't wait to use this. You know, your girl's gonna use this up. Next product that I'm pulling out is in this packaging right here, and this is the Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo, and it's sulfate-free. It detoxifies, smooths. It didn't say smooth, it said soothes. It soothes and moisturizes and balances. So that's this product right here. Okay, the next product I'm pulling out is this right here. So this is their Coconut Oil and Baobab Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream. This is for weak and damaged hair. This is what the consistency is looking like. It's pretty thick. It's thick and creamy. I actually like that. It smells really nice. So it looks really nice. I am very excited to use this conditioner. Let me see what the instructions say. The directions say to use daily or as often as needed. Apply a small amount to hair and scalp and massage. Comb through for even distribution from root to end. May also be applied directly to the ends for added protection. So this is like a leave-in conditioner. It sounds like this is just like a leave-in conditioner, which is great because I'm all for using this as a leave-in conditioner, because this was going to be really weird as a regular conditioner in this type of packaging, but either way. Okay, y'all, now for the highlight of the show. So this is the Scalp Rescuing Detox Oh my gosh, y'all. Scalp Rescuing Detox Mask. So this one has the same claims and same top 3 ingredients that they want to show you on the front. I really want to show you guys the ingredients, but it's pretty hard because this is really tiny writing that they have. What I'm going to do is just try to find the ingredients list and just put it on the screen for you guys, or just link the links to those products directly in my description box so you guys can go check out the full ingredients list and all that stuff. But I am pretty excited to try all these products actually. I want to check out the texture of this shampoo really quick. I didn't show you guys. It's like a pearl kind of look. I want to get some and smell it. It smells good, but then it just has that mint type of smell as well. It has really great ingredients in this shampoo though. Okay, it has that methanol, whatever. So yeah, it's like the second, third ingredient. I can feel it tingling on my fingers, so I know I'm gonna feel it on my scalp. Okay, so I'm like really excited right now. So guys, I'm not trying to drag this video out too long for you guys. So those were all the products. Those are my first impressions and thoughts on just the packaging and what the products looks like so far. Thank you so much for watching my video.